How to add tags in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add tags to your entries in Notion to better organize your pages, projects, or databases. Just stick with me till the end so you don't miss any of the steps. Alright, let's get right into it. So first, open up the Notion website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and hit that login button. The easiest way to get in is by clicking Continue with Google, especially if you're already logged into your Google account. Once you do that, just select the Google account you want to use and it'll bring you right into your Notion workspace. Now from your home page, go to the page where you want to start adding tags. Keep in mind, tags are used inside databases, so your page should either already be a database or you'll need to create one. You can use the table view for this. It's one of the simplest layouts for tagging. Once you're in the table view of your database, look up top where your column headers are. Click on the three little dots next to any column name to open up customization options. Then click on Properties. Here, you'll see all the available columns and their types. If you don't already have a tags column, click on Add a Property, give it a name like Tags. Choose the property type as Multi-Select. This is what lets you add multiple tags per entry. Once it's created, it'll show up in your table. Now you can start tagging. Just go to any row, find the tags column, and click inside the empty field. Hit Add an option and start typing your tag. This could be something like To Do, In Progress, Urgent, Idea, or whatever fits your setup. Hit Enter after typing each tag to save it. And that's it. You've successfully added tags to your Notion entries. You can reuse existing tags or create new ones anytime, and you can add as many tags as you need to a single item. Tags help you categorize everything and make your pages much easier to filter and search. So yeah, that's how to add tags in Notion. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Notion tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.